How do you fix ineligible for verification? So whether you're into advertising or you have a fresh BM and want to get it verified for various reasons, this is how you do it. Now there is a method to add an app or something, but sometimes it does not work. So for that very reason, we Spur have created a free tool to enable the verification button. All you have to do is go to Tools, Facebook Business Verification. It will load this page. So how does this work? Facebook allows for verification as soon as you add even a test WhatsApp number, and that's all we do. As a verified tech partner, we can give you this access to just add any number. So all I'll do is click on enable verification button, log in with my account, select next, and then I will check which BM do I verify. This does not matter. I can just create a new WhatsApp business account. Yes. So I can just fill in anything. You can just fill in your business details as well. That usually is nice. Hit next. And here you can just select the use display name only option, so you would not even need to procure a new number. Again, hit next. It will tell me it's loading. I'll hit confirm. This can take up to a minute. Done. So I can just hit cross right now, and then let's try to refresh this page. Amazing. As you can see, the start verification button is here. Now you can verify your business and unlock the additional features that business verification gives you. Thanks. Bye-bye.